And news just coming in, the National Human Rights Commission has warned the Maharashtra Chief Secretary of penal action in the Facebook girls case. The NHRC has reminded the Maharashtra government that it has to pay 50,000 rupees each to the two girls who were illegally detained over their Facebook post against former Shiv Sena Supremo late Bal Thackeray. The rights panel has said it has taken a serious note over non-compliance of its order to suitably compensate the two girls. It added that it is against the misuse of IT laws that violate freedom of speech. The two girls from Maharashtra's Palghar were detained by the police for 10 days in November 2012. And headlines today's Jaskirat Singh Bawa now joins me with the latest. Jaskirat, take us through the details of the NHRC order.
Well, the NHRC had already held that the arrest was not correct and had ordered the Maharashtra government to compensate these two girls. Now, the Maharashtra government, specifically the Chief Secretary, has ignored the NHRC orders, and as a result of that, the NHRC has now threatened him with coercive action. Now, to understand the kind of coercive action that the NHRC can take, in such cases, the NHRC assumes the role of a court of law. So any refusal to comply with its order could actually first result in summons for a show cause, and if, let's say hypothetically, the person does not arrive after the summons, then it could perhaps be considered even a contempt of court. Now, it remains to be seen whether this now would send a strong message across to the Maharashtra government, specifically the Chief Secretary, enough for him to comply with the order. Of course, it's a footnote in what the NHRC has said over here is actually a larger message. It's a message that goes across that there is in fact a misuse of the Information Technology Act, specifically Section 66, under which these girls were arrested.